I think you're high. The plan here is to go where it's not raining. I think that's a solid plan. Head to the sunshine. It's nice out today. We've got some improvements to Mimosa Hour.
Wine glass holder has suction cups on the bottom. So it's not going anywhere. And then the glass clicks in.
Awesome. Now in Florida, before I get all the comments and blah, 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 you can drink while you're underway. What's it in your state as far as the laws go? Now you cannot be over 0.08. You gotta be under that for sure. We just got out here, so unless we're still drunk from the night before, trying to get attention from, you know, FWC and stuff, but we're gonna give this a try.
Well, I mean, we're in a no wake zone, so you know we're not gonna be hauling ass and drinking. High tide, high tide, high tide, babe.
Oh, high tide. Oh, yep, yep.
I'm nervous.
We got a super high tide. Let's see if we can make it under this bridge. Go a little slower. A little slower just in case. We got our bimini up.
I can't go any slower.
All right, let's see.
I'm in neutral.
All right, we made that bridge. Yeah, I forgot about this. All right, we got one more bridge to go, so we got this. Anyone else drink champagne? Anyone on the boat?
I think rosé, isn't that what Gareth and Nordine like to enjoy on the boat?
Oh yeah, yeah. I think they drink champagne.
That's what I said. Rosé.
Oh, rosé. Is that champagne?
Yeah.
Ice cube there, and then the Sprite, the zero. You like the zero sugar? Go. The ice cube, the OJ in there.
Wobbly there.
Yeah. The old man shaky hands. So let's stick right there.
Oh, that doesn't look too good.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Did you check the radar?
No. Cheers. This is a no wake zone, so we're just gonna putter. How fast are we going?
2.9.
2.9 miles an hour. So we're just gonna go ahead and putter. This is what we've been doing for our Mimosa Hour. Someone had commented about Mimosa Hour. We're still doing it, but we've just been doing this, just kind of relaxing on the way out there.
Well, depends on how hot it is too, because when you go this slow, if it's cooking.
Yeah. If it's like, you know, July and you're cooking, we're going fast because that's our AC. We also too, we're gonna do a video coming up here. Once it gets a little bit cooler, we're gonna do a video. We're gonna give you a little tour of some of these homes on the water. Most of these are probably all like a milli, even the dumps. I mean, seriously. I mean, it's a milli. I don't know if I'd want to live on the water though.
What? What'd you say?
So if you live on the water, what's it like? Because I'm thinking, you know, sound is going to be traveling. You're going to hear dogs barking. Like they're working over there. You can hear that. So if you live, it'd be cool though to have your, you know, your boat on a boat lift. So anyone, if you live on the water, let us know. I'm curious. Kim would really like to do that. It could be cool, maybe. I don't know. First I gotta get like $1 million somewhere. So
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, or someone super thanks us like $1 million. Actually, no, let me just give you my PayPal that way, because YouTube's gonna take out like half. All right, these guys are out here. All right, so they're putting in this is cool because these homes are like across the street, and they have like the little deeded boat lift, little boat area. There's one people, they did it up right. They did this a couple years ago. It looks nice, but here, let me show you. So they're gonna have a new boat lift. They got a floating dock. Hey, how's it going? It's good. Should we test it out?
Sure.
Thank you. Awesome.
Looks good.
Yeah. This here, right here.
Fire pit. Little compensation area there on the dock. Got their crab traps over there. Right?
Yeah. They got crab traps. They got storage. They got electrical. They got electrical. They got water. They got a fire pit. All they need is a hot tub. They got another little floating dock.
New boat lift. Is this somebody else's, or do they have 2 boat lifts?
I don't know on that one.
That's the setup.
That is the setup. They're doing it.
I wonder if they're gonna build a house in that lot.
I would think so. Get the boat lift in there first. That's get your priorities straight. Priorities straight here.
Right, babe.
All right, here we go. Bridge number 2. Will we make it under the bridge? That'll be the title. Will we survive? Oh shoot!
God, I don't like this. It's like an inch. No, for real. Is it like how many?
It's probably a couple inches. It's probably about 3 inches. So we're fine. But this is a super high tide. I don't know. We would just have to put down the bimini. How's it going? Good. You catching anything? Oh, no deal. Use them as bait.
I saw lightning.
What? Just relax. All right, so we may have to just kind of chill. He's
water out here. It's like a fishing boat. Oh, he's down low now. He's up higher usually.
I think the water's up higher.
No, that boat's up higher. I remember looking. Oh, we're higher. Never mind.
I think you're high.
Oh shit! They're on a circle too. That's kind of cool. See how they're at the end of the circle?
Yeah. It's just some of the stuff we're going to be including in this backyard tour, touring the backyards of $1 million homes. We got some rain coming down on us. I think we're going to be okay. If you look off in the distance. So we're gonna head that way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead. Normally we kind of putter through here. We're gonna resume my mimosa hour somewhere else because it's starting to rain, and we're gonna get out of this area. So
it's just a sprinkle right now.
It's just but still it's a little annoying. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, and then we're gonna find a different spot to finish up my mimosa. So I'm gonna secure the deck. Just head to the sunshine. Shipping channel, we should be good. We're about 3 feet deep. The thing here in Florida, you can't just be zipping across the bay or whatever, because you could go into like some really shallow water really quick. We're gonna grease up in. It'll be getting deep because we're headed toward the Palm Beach smokestacks.
High tide.
Yeah, high tide, so we're definitely good. So we're just getting wet. No big deal. There's only one towel that keeps us dry when we're out here on the boat. So right now we're just kind of puttering around in the Gulf. So our plan is to not have a plan.
Yeah, we're hanging out in the shipping channel for now.
so right now we're just gonna hang out in the shipping channel. Woo-hoo. right, so what we're gonna do is the plan here is to go where it's not raining. I think that's a solid plan. I think we can make that happen. But whatever, we get wet, you get wet. There's no lightning, so that's the main thing. This is pretty cool, you know.
As long as there's no barges coming, like, but it is.
It's starting to pick up, so maybe we'll. We're gonna get wet. It's gonna dump on us, but once we get through it, it's gonna be fine. So I think now the plan is. Oh, we should just chill out under the Skyway.
All right. Yeah, I need
A mask?
a mask because I just put on new eyelashes.
All right, hold on. This is gonna be hilarious, people. Hold.
They're not supposed to get wet for 24 hours. He said he doesn't understand. Oh, there's water on the camera, but anyway, I have brand new lashes on and they're not supposed to get wet for 24 hours.
Yeah.
There you go. Her.
All right, we gotta get out of here. It's raining. All right. Yeah, they're getting dumped on back there. They're really getting dumped on.
Fine over there. There's sky.
Welcome to Florida. All right, so we're gonna go our normal route, and then we can just finish up Mimosa hour then.
Yeah.
All right, we got a putter. All right, so we're gonna finish up our Mimosa hour.